Welcome to Dexter's Best Safe and Vault. So you recently bought a safe and it's got a mechanical dial on it. It's not similar to being in high school. Those are way too easy to spin. These actually have a little bit of a finesse that goes into it, and we implore you to practice this in advance of delivery so that once it's in the house, we're gonna have you test it a couple of times to make sure that you're not having any issues. Stay tuned, we're gonna jump into it. Now that we have a mechanical dial in front of us, this is where the 4-3-2-1 method is going to make a lot more sense. You start spinning the dial counterclockwise, and you have to rotate fully around at least 3 times, and you're allowed to then land on the first number the 4th time it presents itself. In this situation, the first number is 76. So we've already cleared the dial, and we can land on 76. We're now going to spin it to 18. We have to go clockwise on the dial, landing on the second number the 3rd time that we see it. And now we're going to go counterclockwise again. We have to pass 66 once and keep going, landing on it the 2nd time it presents itself. From here, we can dial it to 83 to 87 counterclockwise, and the dial gets extremely tight, and then you can throw the handles and open the door. So just as a quick recap, rotations are 4 rotations, 3 rotations, 2 rotations. 4 times counterclockwise, stopping on that first number the 4th time you see it. Clockwise, waiting on the next number the 3rd time you see it. Counterclockwise, landing on the next number the 2nd time you see it. And clockwise to between 83 and 87. There you have it. That's how you get into your mechanical dial on your safe. When we come out, we will go through it with you. Or if you're watching this and we're not actually delivering to you, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. We'll catch you guys in the next one.